The Goa Legislative Assembly's budget session will begin on March 6 and continue till March 27. The Governor has formally summoned the House for a 14-day session. The Assembly will meet the sitting starting at 11:30 in the morning. However, there will be no proceedings on March 19 due to Gudi Padwa and on March 26 on account of Ram Navami. Chief Minister Dr Pramod Sawant, who also holds a financial portfolio, is expected to present the state budget for the financial year 2026-27 during the session. Along with the budget, the government will also table the action taken report on the previous budget. The session will see legislators raising started and unstarted questions related to various government departments. Members will also get an opportunity to flag matters of urgent public importance during 0 hours. The budget session is expected to focus on the state's financial roadmap, development priorities, and key public issues ahead of the new financial year.